Alright, slab molding. Slab moldings are media viva, the load placed on the floor decomposed back to the supporting structure. Slabs can be graded and level the inclined planes, vertical alignments. All slabs in the given level is determined by the type assigned level, the top offset seal, top of the seal base. Each slab of the item allowance with a level. Your surface standard layer tabs each slab items aligned with the level. Each parent slab consists of a number of individual panels, slab items that can either be connected, separated from each other, however they must be same level. Every parent slab with a unique name and slab name used at one level cannot be reused at a different level. The individual panels initially inherit with the property of the parent slab, but once they have been created, they can edit to allow the certain property to be amended. The rotation angle can be changed, the slab depth can be overridden. A panel can be excluded from the diaphragm. The slab depth override has been applied. You can apply the vertical offset in order to model the slab step. Vertical offset are not structural significant if they have no effect on the analysis mesh position relative to the top of the slab and the solve their mode mesh properties, whatever, with reflect any change in slab thickness. Slab boundaries can be straight or curved. Openings in any shapes can be rated with the slab, and flat slabs at points of the slab is supported with the column. Column drop panels can be applied with the thickness of the slab. Drop panels are effectively slab items where they increase thickness. Overview of slab molding. The concept of the slab and slab panels. Tekla structural design slab data of the form of the parent slabs, each consisting of the one or more slab item slab panels. So here we go. In view above, the 24 slab items grouped together into one slab. Some data is the slab level common access to all panels of the data set of the slab panel level. Simple overview terms of data broken down as in slab panel thickness, vertical offset, material properties analysis settings, general design settings, slab panel data cover, reinforcement information, specific design settings, modeling terms that you use to create slabs of the wide area, but there is no reason for the shape of the consider the subsection of the slab with just one with the big expense of the slab. When it comes to design, you need the conceptual slabs, a series of the design panels. Each design panel has its own design setting of the design result. Different reinforcement can be selected with different panels. You also have to consider the pattern load. Some of the panels loaded, but the others are not. When results are presented in the calculation drawings, you're able to specifically reference the design panels. Panel subdivision. Regardless of the slab and panels initially created, you're able to further divide, reform them via the slab split or slab joint commands. So there are several reasons you may choose to do the relating, refining geometry, adding steps, pattern loading, and a panel design. When it comes to flat slabs, particularly the way slabs are split for the purpose of the pattern loading and the material of the engineering judgment, the views below show that a couple of options. Two different engineers must be justifiably chose for the same slab perimeter. Creating slab panels. How do I choose the slab type and specify the property? Click the model, then first the slab drop list and slab type required. Define the panel properties chosen. Slab type property set. Slab on beams, slab on the beams items property set. Flat slab items property set. Precast item property set. Steel deck item property set. Timber deck item set and property set. Composite slab items property set. Before placing the panel from the slab in the select base property under the general heading intersect required. How do I specify the parent slab to where the panel belongs? Under general heading, use the slab property to specify that you want to either create a new slab, automatically add existing parent slab, manually select the parent slab. When the panel properties are defined, it may be placed either the base or picking of the points. When using adding existing option the point of slab in item creation, the checkpoint may define the existing point with the plane with the same properties. If found, a new panel will be added. If two are found, they are only physically closest to use is not found, and a new parent slab is created. The option manually select the parent slab is only available in 2D views. They only after one or more panels have been placed in that view. How to create slab panels by bay? This method is only available in 2D view. The general heading of the intro of the select bay properties is checked. Create the slab item select bay. The property appears with the bays, and slab item can be placed in those that have the members attached to all sides and are identified by shading. If no bays are identified, that can be due to individual member intersection. Validate the model to detect correct any beams while with crossing center lines. Create the panel. Either click on the outline bay boundary beam walls to add an individual panel, or drop a box add panels to all bounded bays. Dragging the backs of the left or right, place some panels with the base totally enclosed by the box. Dropping the box from the right to left to place the panels with either close across the box. Hold down Shift key while dragging. Create a line instead of the box panels or placed in all the bays that are crossed along the line. How to create slab panels by point. The method is available to 2D and 3D views. Under general heading, ensure that the select base property is cleared. Pick the first point to define in the corner of the panel. Continue with the pick other point for the defined panel outline. When you get to the final point, double click to create the panel, model slabbing, and mat openings. Alright, simple openings can be quickly defined with existing slabs such as openings are rectangular, circular, and plane. Slab opening command is located with the drop list slab groups. It is only accessible in 2D view is active. Openings can cross more than one panel slab, can be overlaid, joined to create openings together that have shapes other than rectangular. Cut across stepped edge, let it being applied to the level in sloping slabs. Openings cannot be applied with one spanning slabs, cannot reside with a column or a column drop. Irregular openings, alternatively more complex openings, can be created by using construction lines and construction panels around irregular shapes. How to create a rectangular slab opening. Click open 2D view level containing slab mat in which we want to create an opening. Click model slab opening located in the second slab drop down list. Foundations, mat opening, mat first mats drop list as appropriate. Slab opening, mat opening properties to display with the property windows. Using open type of the property specified with a rectangular opening. If required, enter the rotation angle, rotate opening one on plan. Click with the outline existing slab mat panel to define in the corner of the opening. Press figure F2 to require the exact position. Step on the dry diametrically opposite corner of the opening. You will see a rubber rectangle on the screen which follow the mouse movement that helps you to check the area in which you are creating the opening. Click to define in the opposite corner of the opening. Again, click F2 for the required exact position. How to create a circular slab opening. Open the 2D view with the level of the containing slab of the mat with which we want to create with the opening. Click the model slab opening located second slab drop down list. Foundation mat opening located to mat. The drop down list is appropriate. Slab opening mat opening properties displayed in the property windows. Using the open type of the property specified with the circle opening, press for the outline existing slab panel to define the center of the opening. Press F2 with the required to the exact position. Drag and click to define the radius of the opening. Again, press F2 with the required exact radius. How do I delete a slab opening? Opening slab opening branch the structure tree. Right click over the name of the slab opening you want to delete. Delete the context menu which appears. Adding overhangs to existing slab or mat edges, but building objects will have dealt with thus far to define along with the grid lines that we have created for slabs may not be entirely in the case. Particularly the slabs of the edge of the slab may be to extend the M on the grid line either the edge of the beam which supports the edge of the slab or around the perimeter of the building immediately inside face of the cladding. Alright, in order to cater for the common situation, textural structural design allows you to define overhangs, edge of the slab, full the length of the partial length. Overhang may be extended across many of the panels of one slab. Any load you define over the overhang will include the total loading of your building. On your building. Slab overhang command is located in the drop list slab groups. It is only accessible with the 2D view is active. How do I add an overhang slab edge? In order to define a slab overhang, you must already have the defined slab to which it applies. To create the overhang, open the 2D view level containing slab over which you want to create an overhang. Click the model slab overhang located slab drop down list. Foundation mat overhang. Located first mat drop list is appropriate. Slab overhang and mat overhang properties are displayed in the property windows from where you can enter the width of overhang. Click along the edge of the existing slab mat and panel to define the start point of the overhang. Press F2 for the required exact position. Click again on the same edge to define the end point of the overhang. F2 for the required exact position. How do I add a curved overhang to the slab edge? In order to define a curved slab overhang, you must already have the defined slab to which it applies with grade. The overhang open in the 2D view level containing the slab which you want to create an overhang. Click the model slab overhang located slab drop along foundation mat overhang mat drop list as appropriate. Slab overhang mat overhang properties display properties window. Click the edge affiliated to enter the curvature over the overhang. Enter for the width over the overhang. Check along the edge of the existing slab panel to define the start point over the overhang. Press figure F2 with the exact point position. 7. Click over the same edge of the define the endpoint with the overhang. Press F2 with the required exact position. Model column drops and that's about page 200. So we're going to cut the tape there.